Okay guys, so I'm making this video. It's about 7 o'clock probably. It's about 74 degrees. Somebody had asked me if the motors get hot with the all-terrain wheel kit. So I'm gonna do a continuous ride test, and as soon as I come back, I'm gonna have that little girl right there touch the motors and let me know what it is that they feel. So here we go. Started right. I'm gonna try to stay on like doing top speed as much as I can. I'm gonna be riding through traffic, so it might be a little difficult. But I'm hoping not to make this video too long either. But I don't wanna do like a lot of people do. They cheat. What they do is they stop the board. I don't know why. So I'm gonna do this continuous riding, and when I come back, everything should be, hot as it can be. And like I said, somebody had asked me on the YouTube because most boards like the balls, they get really hot, and I heard also the Ondra very hot, the motors. So this this is something that I didn't even look for because it's just not there. But yeah, the best way to explain things sometimes is just by showing them instead of talking about it. It's a Knickerbocker Avenue. Guys, okay, backing them up, right into top speed again. I gotta watch out here because this car's a little bit. See people get off in the middle of traffic. Don't use the signal lights. Yeah, look at this guy crossing the street, going like 23 miles an hour. Yeah, look at doggy, stay back, doggy. That guy, it's crazy here. My horn. Okay. I don't know how many miles this is gonna be, but I'm not planning to do this like all night. You get the idea of what I mean by the heat thing. It should be life proof how you want to get. Like I said, I'm going top speed, and I do have a helmet on. Traffic. Oh snap! So I don't like that swerve. There's a big puddle of water up front too. Forgot to turn on my light, even when it's clear like this. The cars up front could see my light, see me coming. I don't like this puddle stuff. And they get out of the way. So yeah, guys, if you have like trail light or any lighting system, you could use it during the day. Cars still see you. This guy don't see me, so let me, yeah, get out of his way. So these are my daily trails, guys. Kind of fun, dangerous in a way, but I don't know. It becomes normal after a while, and it's just very fun. You just gotta be very aware of mainly the traffic. These guys are crazy, and a lot of electrical bikes, they're doing full delivery. For example, you see up front this double parked car. And this guy act like he was gonna give me a break, and they just cut me off. But it's all good. They're used to that. And the brakes on the all-terrain wheels are awesome. Right on the bike lane, that's what I'm talking about. If I get to stop at a light, I'm gonna turn on my light because it's becoming a bit of a worry. I'm gonna see if I make it across here without getting hit by psychopath cars. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my straight light. I put it on flash mode all the time. Like mainly for the cars up front, they could see me coming and they'll move out of the way. Yeah. After the light we go now. As soon as I get back, we're just gonna do, I'm gonna have that little girl that I show you. She's gonna touch the motors. Little girls are hands are very sensitive, so. Whoop, there you go, look. Signal light, trying to get in. Look at another guy right there. Yeah, thank God for straight lights. Look at this. Whoa, I'm out. Yeah, this girl. Yeah, you just gotta be a little aware. This is kind of really fun and exciting to ride in the streets. I know a lot of people think in Europe, you're not allowed to ride in traffic. Sometimes I wish to ride in those country roads, man. You guys are just lucky, and I know that you guys look at us out here in the cities like we are lucky, but it's actually better. So right here coming up, this is the hill. Okay, this is what I mentioned, and like I said, we're gonna be, you could hear the motors eventually, and I'm at full speed trying to make the motors get as hot as as possible. Pimping ain't easy. Look at this. Full throttle here too. I hope that a girl didn't go anywhere. Alright, little girls. I need you to touch these motors and tell me how they feel to the touch.
These are like a little hot.
Well, it's supposed to be so hot that it burn you hot.
It's about to be, it's like they're not hot. They're not
Not hot, right?
They're warm.
You see that? And that was about 3.3 miles going at top speed. You're just gonna have to believe me again because you're not focusing. But you've been with me during the ride. It's been 13 minutes and 15 seconds. And look at that. Will you touch it?
It's warm. You can leave your hand.
But it's not hot to the touch, right? I mean, you could bear it. Can you take it?
Yeah, you can take it. You can take it. Like even
Yeah, what would you compare the heat to? Like, what will be hotter than that? A boiling egg when you take it out of the pot? Is it hotter than that? Hey.
Like, let's say you turn a light bulb on for like 3 minutes, and then it turns off, and it's just a little warm.
Just a little warm. What do you think?
Like if you bake a cookie and then you let it sit out for like.
There you go, a cookie. That's good.
It feels
This
like
is Joelene, the professor.
It feels like you boiled milk a little bit, and when you put your finger, it's like a warm.
Yeah, but look,
Warm milk, like
look,
really.
they still touching it. You guys know that on a bold board you cannot do this. You cannot do this on a lot of boards.
Like
So that's the
50%
real
more.
motors for you guys. So that killed the myth of anything getting hot. So I thank you, and thanks for the girl for helping, and the honest thing. Yeah, peace. Signing out.